there. Welcome back to my little loft here where I try to create some beautiful things. One of the things I like to do sometimes is buy either yarn from independent sellers or support some of the YouTube channels that I like. And so this one's going to be about the yarn that I bought from Olive and Two Ewes. They have a YouTube channel that's great, and I watch that on Saturdays sometimes. And in January, they offered a special box called Selfish Knitting January, and I got it towards the end. And I got too busy to do anything with it, but I sure enjoyed unboxing the thing, and I'm looking forward to using that yarn. So if you get a chance, go over and take a look at their YouTube channel and go to their website. I'll put the links down in the description, but I think they're great. So I hope you enjoy. So I got the box ready to open, and it has this beautiful paper on top. And then inside, it's full to the brim of cool stuff. Here's a postcard that was in there, and it's called the Cozy Box, and it's from Olive and Two Ewes. And these are this card tells us where we can get the free pattern to look at it and what's actually in the box. So let's see what it says. There is yarn, a tote bag, a mug, winter cream and a balm, knitting stitch saver cords, winter sticker bundle, can't speak, and a hot cocoa mix. And then there's a QR code on there where you can download a free pattern. So let's see what we got. We got a winter box with a bag. So this is a great project bag. I love this. This is so cute. And it has little handles on it. Oh, it has big handles on it, actually, so that you can carry this thing around with you, I think. So I like that. That's always helpful, especially since I'm traveling this month and I want to be able to have some things to take with me. All right. So here is some yarn. Oh my goodness. This is called Homer. And let's see what it says about it. It is Selfish Knitting Cozy Box, taking care of you, EWE. And this is called Glacier Bay. It is 80% superwash merino, 10% cashmere, and 10% nylon. It's a 4K. It's 230 yards or 100 grams. So this is great. So the gauge on it recommends a US 7, and then I'm sure this is knitting, and it has on the gauge is 21 to 24 stitches per 4 inches. So that would be the gauge. But anyway, this is what it's called. It's called Homer. Glacier Bay has these beautiful little blue specks in it that are just gorgeous. Look at those blue specks. Like they just kind of got a little bit in there, and it fits the theme of it being snowflake and winter cozy. This is another hank that came in it. And let's see what this is called. This one's called Warmth of Home is the colorway. And it has exactly the same ingredients as superwash merino, cashmere, and nylon in it, in the same weight and DK weight. So these two together I think are really pretty. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it, but I really like it. There should be enough in here to do a decent sized project. Okay, we got some hot cocoa, Arctic white chocolate hot cocoa, and we got a dark chocolate hot cocoa. That's pretty cool. All right, we got some wool wash. It's a gentle laundry soap for wool. It comes with a coaster. This is the Cozy Box. Selfish Knitting January Cozy Box. And the theme is snow and ice. Love yarn, it says. And there's a QR code on the back to where you can look up some cool yarn. Let's connect on Facebook. So I guess that's probably their Facebook group, which I'm already a member of. Let's see what's next. We have winter cream, vanilla lavender. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's got grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, vanilla extract, mango butter, local beeswax, lavender essential oil, and it's organic. So let's see what it smells like. Let's see if I can get this open. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That smells like heavenly. So this will be great for the winters when you're yarning and your skin gets pretty dry. I love that. Let's see what's next. This is Heal All hand and cuticle salve, and it's lavender. And if you know anything about me, it's like I'm all about the lavender. I have lavender everywhere in the house. Oh my gosh, it's fantastic. It smells so good. That can go easily with me wherever I go. Oh, let's see. Winter paper sticker bundle. Let's see what these look like. This is kind of exciting. I like stickers. Let's see what they look like. Okay. Oh, they're just really sweet. There's a hat, and there's a scarf. Here is another hat. Some mittens. If you can see those really well, because they're very light in color, pastel. And it says, "Thank you. These stickers are paper for use in dry settings. 100% recycled, also recyclable. No microplastics, unlike vinyl. Hand drawn, original art, made with love and care in Michigan." Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit and you can see those. They're really cute. Somebody will probably take those from me if I know my grandchildren very well. Let's see. We got the hot cocoa. And here's another thing it's in here. Knit and gather, stitch, saver, cord. Oh my goodness, I love these. I have some of these and they are so fantastic. They're very soft and I guess they're made out of a vinyl or plastic, but they're very, very soft. And you can use these and cut them to length. And there's some little bobs that you can get to lock them in place if you need to. But I use these on sleeves of my sweaters and around the waist if I have to stop and work on something else. And, sometimes you'll have to stop in the middle of something and put them on a stitch holder and then go do something else. But love these. These are fantastic. And then let's see. Thank you for your order. We so appreciate your support. Please consider joining our Yarny Ewes group on Facebook. And they do have a really nice group. So it says, "Hello, Renee. Thank you, EWE, so much for your order. We hope that you love your Selfish Knitting January Cozy Box and can't wait to see what you create. Happy stitching and welcome to the herd. Monica of Olive and Two Ewes, the shop assistant." So very nice handwritten note in there. This is kind of exciting. Let's see what this is. It looks like it's a mug. Yeah. Let's see what it looks like. What's in there good? Well, I tell you what, it shipped well, so they did a good job unpacking this thing. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? This is so adorable. Look at the sheep. And they're all knitting. I don't know if I ever want to put anything in it to drink. I think I just want to have it out. But anyway, I love it. This is fantastic. What a great box. And it was packed so well. I just love how much care they put into how they packed it. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. And I couldn't recommend them anymore. They're a great company and a great YouTube. Have a nice day. Talk to you soon. Bye.